Today I will show you how to stop Windows 10 from uploading updates to other PCs over the internet. Windows 10 includes a peer-to-peer download feature for updates and store apps. By default, Windows will automatically use your PC's internet connection to upload updates. You can continue to use peer-to-peer updates on your local network, but you may not want to waste upload bandwidth to help reduce bandwidth bills. Stop Windows 10 from uploading updates is best option for you if you have data caps on your internet connection. Disable option is entirely disables the peer-to-peer update feature, so updates will only be downloaded from Microsoft's servers, and won't be uploaded to anywhere. PCs on my local network, this is the best option. With this enabled, you'll benefit from peer-to-peer updates on your home or work network. This means faster downloads and less download bandwidth used. You'll only have to download the updates once, and they'll be shared amongst all your PCs. Your PC will never upload updates over the internet. PCs on my local network, and PCs on the internet, with this enabled, Windows 10 will upload updates from your PC to other computers over the internet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more videos, subscribe to the channel.